everyone, welcome back. If the BMO app shows a network or connection error, start with your internet. First, turn airplane mode on, then wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset the connection. Next, you're going to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Now, if you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then, restart your phone to clear temporary network glitches. Also, make sure the BMO app is updated. Head over to your app store, search for BMO and update it. Make sure it's updated and that your phone date and time are also set to automatic. Go to settings, search for general, then scroll down, go to date and time and make sure the date and time are set to set automatically. Now, if the error continues, BMO servers may be temporarily unavailable. Wait a few minutes and then try again. And that's it. Subscribe for more